KidsVision TV.
Black, yellow, orange, red, purple, dark blue, blue, dark green, green,
Gray,
pink, dark pink,
hello everyone. Today I'm coloring a car. Let's draw and color together.
dark blue,
I'm coloring the body of car.
dark blue, yellow, blue, yellow, black,
I'm coloring the wheel.
black,
Gray, subscribe us for more videos.